Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, a day after the Dookey Dash release. It's been an insane freaking evening. My best friend and I, we've been grinding the whole freaking night. I have to admit, he's so much better than me. The gameplay you guys will be seeing in the background is actually his. He is one of the top 100 player right now with a tier 1. We're actually considering to go for the tier 4 maybe and get even crazy content on. We shall see, but today's video is going to be all about the top 5 most important tips you guys should know and apply to be able to be successful on this game right here. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so. Smash the beautiful subscription button, smash the like button, and of course, follow me on Twitter. That'd be absolutely awesome. And I would say, let's get right into the video. First things first, I want to give a huge shout out to Yuga Lab for releasing such an insane game. Honestly, I haven't been that addicted in a very long time to a game. I love to game. I'm a huge gamer myself since I'm a kid. And it's absolute insane to have this sort of like competition feeling where you just cannot stop playing and you want to just grind the highest scores. Let's get to the top 5 most important tips if you guys want to be successful. The first thing, and honestly that is in my opinion the most important one as well, is you guys need to be relaxed when playing. Your mindset needs to be very chilled, no ambitions, don't check the high score at the top side, just play the game. Be relaxed, don't try to tilt, because after many rounds you guys will be playing, you will start to get freaking anxious, you will try to get stressed about the score, not being able to continue grinding. People will be actually passing you by, your score will be not getting better. You can't get a better round every single run, and there will be people doing better than you, and your rank will go lower and lower every single round. That's normal. So try to be relaxed, enjoy the game, because at the end of the day, it's also about fun, and yeah, try to relax, don't tilt too much, and don't stress yourself too much about your score. Make sure to have fun. Let's focus a little bit on the gameplay now. The most important thing, in my opinion, is you guys should be flying either at the top, very at the top, or at the very bottom. Do not try to fly in the middle, trying to dodge things and everything, because the viewing is just terrible. Let's be honest, the model in the middle when you're flying is just absolute freaking crap. You can't see shit, and especially when you go towards the 100,000 plus points, you will not see anything anymore because everything is flying so quickly around you. You guys definitely want to be flying either the top or the bottom or the right or left side. It doesn't matter, but you guys need really good viewing. You need to be able to be looking into the future, whatever will be appearing after the next freaking dash you do through that wooden wall, whatever. And yeah, so make sure you're flying either top, just on the sidelines, just overall on the sideline. Don't fly in the middle. The model of your ape is just way too freaking big. Next up, attachments, aka items. These can be absolute freaking baits. Most important rule right here: ignore items if there's a risk that you guys will be losing your round. There is no point getting the golden item but losing your round. You get what I'm trying to say? So just get the items you're very comfortable you'll be getting. Can't pick up every single item. Just ignore them. There will be so many items coming towards you. What you need to be focused is try to stay alive as long as possible. Obviously, attachments are the most important thing to get your points up. So obviously, you need to try to get items. But if there's an item which is too risky and is going to be risking to lose your round, do not go for it. There will be coming much more items. Let's go a little bit into the different tiers and boosters. Yes, obviously, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 are having an insane freaking advantage towards the tier 1s. If you guys can afford to get yourself a higher tier, obviously go for it. But a lot of people actually just have the tier 1, or people who don't even have an ape and they just have to buy the pass. Go for the tier 1. There is a huge advantage, but it's not completely impossible for you guys to be able to compete for the top 100 ranks, even maybe top 10. I'm not really sure. Like my friend right here, the gameplay you see, he's so freaking talented in this game. I am sure with a tier 1 rank, he could easily be a top 100 player at the end. My tip right here as well is maybe buy yourself the booster. We've tried the boosters out. They're really strong. They're very, very OP. So if you can't afford to go for like a tier upgrade, for example, from tier 1 to tier 2, just go ahead and maybe get yourself a couple ape coins and try to the boosters. The boosters are very OP as well. Definitely go ahead and use them rather than going for a tier upgrade. And the last tip we have for you is definitely train your reactions. Not everyone will be like him, a freaking insane gamer, aka shooting player who has insane reactions. No, but you guys will be able to train it. There is websites where you guys can go ahead and train if you like to. There is websites for aiming, there is for reaction timing, and you guys can go and practice. This game is not complicated, it's not hard. You obviously need to practice a lot, especially if you're not a gamer, then you obviously have a disadvantage. But again, the game is up for 3 whole weeks. That is so freaking long, so you have plenty of time to get used to everything, learn every single mechanic there is, and yeah. The most important thing, again, at the end of the video right here is do not tilt. Enjoy the game. It is so much fun. Enjoy it. Take your breaks. Don't tilt. And have an amazing time. I wish you all the best of luck. Get yourself the top ranks out there. And yeah, let me know your high scores down below. Also, follow me on Twitter and let me know your high scores there as well. I'm going to retweet them. We're going to follow you as well. And yeah, that's going to be it about Dory Tips today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter. If you guys have any pro tips, let us know down below as well so other people can read it through. Other than that, I wish you all the best of luck. I'll see you all around. Have a good one and peace out.